Top 20 C++ Projects with Source Code, 2024. C++, which stands for the computer programming language conceived by Bjarne Stroustrup, is renowned for its application in general-purpose and object-oriented programming, OOP. C++ projects for beginners. Embarking on C++ projects as a beginner is an exciting and foundational step in your programming journey. C++ is a powerful and versatile language, making it an excellent choice for honing your coding skills. Intermediate C++ projects. Intermediate C++ projects present a significant opportunity for programmers to elevate their skills and delve into more complex applications. One compelling aspect of intermediate C++ projects is their capacity to explore broader domains within software development. C++ projects for experts. Projects tailored for experts in C++ programming are designed to push the boundaries of proficiency and challenge seasoned developers with intricate problem-solving scenarios. Experts in C++ often explore the realm of parallel and concurrent programming, utilizing multi-threading and multiprocessing to optimize performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, C++ projects span a wide spectrum of complexity and creativity, catering to individuals at different proficiency levels. Unique C++ project ideas offer a chance for developers to push boundaries and explore innovative applications. The world of C++ projects is vast and dynamic, providing a platform for continuous learning, skill refinement, and creative expression.